C Sharp, I mean Visual Studio, where I have .NET 8. Could be any .NET framework. Currently I have .NET 8, and it's a console application which I'm working on now. And first, what I'll do is I will try to create a dictionary, and we'll see how it goes, right? So this is a main enter point for our program. I will just let me remove this. First, I will declare the dictionary. So my dictionary, like I have dictionary of, see how we can declare the dictionary. So the dictionary, as we know that it is the collection of a data. The data is, each data is the key value pair, right? So let me go walk through the points. That's dictionary. What is dictionary? Dictionary in C Sharp. This we discussed in last video, but again I'll go through the same points, and I'll go through these points while writing the program. So here dictionary is a collection that stores the data as unique key value pair. So as you can see here, key unique key value. The T key has to be unique. Say for example T, I'll say int, okay, and I'll say int string comma string. And here maybe I'll say key value pairs. I'll say the I'll say cricketers. Okay, last, right? So here I have the dictionary. I have the collection of cricketers, wherein I'm going to create a collection of cricketers. So here, when I say cricketers of 0, means here 0 means the first one is an integer, right? Or you can say straight away dot add, right? You can add like this also. So add means the first one has to be integer. We know that key has to be in integer, right? So I'll say 1, right? And the value I'll say Sachin, right? So he is the first cricketer in the list, right? So let me walk through this. The key value pairs, data stored as pairs, where each um, key has to be unique, right? Corresponding to this value. So I'll add a few more data like Sachin, Dravid, and Ganguly. Okay, so if I add three cricketers in the list, but as we know that this key has to be unique, here we have to change this to 3, and this could be same, the value could be same, but key has to be different. Say for example I'll say 4 and value is Ganguly, right? So how do I print them, right? Say I'll use for each, right? Var. So this is var uh, will loop through the cricketers. Say uh, cricketer in cricketers, right? Then I'll say console dot write line, right? Cricketer. Here cricketer dot. So we want to print the key as well as the value, right? So for that, what I'll do is I use a string preparation, right? And this is the guy and key cricketer dot value, right? So what I'm doing here, I'm looping through this list cricketers, and before that I'm adding all the values and I'm looping through using for. And here I'm printing the each cricketer key value, and we have made sure that 1 2 3 4 they which are unique, and also we have the values, maybe the Ganguly, I mean the value 3 and 4, they may be same value, may be same, but keys are different. If I look at the second point, unique keys, so the keys are unique 1 2 3 4, and the generic, see a dictionary characteristics is generic. Key and value types are defined upon creation, ensuring type safety here. So type safety means here, see, as soon as we when we are adding any value, so it is making sure that, so it is, you are entering, you are adding one as a key, and the string, that is the value, has to be string, so which makes it type safe, right? So it's not like, so I cannot add string comma string, because it is saying the key has to be unique as well as it has to be type safe. It, I mean, the compiler will make it type safe. So that's the use of the dictionary, and which makes it the collection type safe, right? So, and if I go and print this console dot read line, okay, let me run this guy. So 1 2 3 4, so we don't have any errors, right? So, and let me go through the points, the key value pairs, okay, so each key has to be unique, value could be duplicated, and they are the generics, like key value types are defined upon creation, and they are generic means generics promotes the type safety. So only we call the dictionary as the generic collection. And we have unordered, the order in which elements are added is not preserved. Here, the if I want to access any of the, say I want to access the Dravid, so how do I access here, right? Say for example, I want to access print line, so I want to access, say, the the second cricketer, second cricketer name is, okay, what is the second cricketer name? So it is like cricketers, okay, of, so I would say cricketers of one, right, or two, sorry, right, and dot, hmm, yeah, right. So when I say cricketers of two, so we are accessing the values of the collection, that is dictionary, with the help of the keys, right? Here key 2 is a key here, right? And if I run this, what will happen? It is not like list is also the generic collection, but in the list we'll access the elements of the list collection by with the help of the indexes of the items, because they are index based, because the items in the list are stored sequentially in ordered, right? But here the values stored in the dictionary, they are not ordered, in the sense they can be accessed with the help of the key of each element, not by any index, right? The second cricketer name is Dravid. So that's the use and the meaning of dictionary. And in the next video, we'll talk about the concurrent dictionary and also we'll compare this dictionary with the concurrent dictionary. Okay, keep watching my videos and please encourage me to do more videos. Thank you.